सो वन थिंग, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, you know, it looks so beautiful. Second is, you know, it's painful, it's painless. Please shave your legs, shave your hands. Do not, nahi main kya bol rahi hu, okay, this will last forever. So but one thing which I want to mention is that, you know, there is no pressure for all the girls out there. If you want to shave your face, if you don't want to shave your face, it's just up to you, you know. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So you know, ये जो वीडियो है मैं बहुत टाइम से करना चाहती थी, बट आई couldn't do it क्योंकि और कुछ स्टफ आ गया था बीच में. So finally today I'm gonna show you some products, you know, how to shave your face, how to groom your face. तो क्या हुआ था कि इस लॉकडाउन में, you know, हम बाहर नहीं जा रहे थे and I had a lot of growth like on my upper lips, on my brows, but you know brows का क्या है, brows को मैं बिल्कुल you know touch नहीं करती हूँ. I just want जो मेरी पार्लर वाली दीदी हैं वही अब मेरे brows को बनाए. But for my upper lips and for my hair on my face, you know, उसके लिए I just, you know, I was searching for something because I tried waxing on my face, guys. You know, it's so painful. It's really bad. So I would suggest to all the girls out there, if you use wax on your face, please don't do that. You know, it pulls your skin, you know, आपकी skin काफ़ी loose हो जाती है and we don't want that. You know, we want tight skin, we want youthful skin, and for that waxing is not the solution, my babies. Now the second step is most of the girls use thread on their upper lips. Okay, so मैं भी यही करवाती थी. You know, I am also one of you जो कि thread use करती थी on my upper lips, but it's also really bad क्योंकि you know it, जैसा कि मैंने बोला, it pulls your skin, it makes your skin really loose, you know, इतना ज़्यादा लूज कर देती है आपकी स्किन को. एंड जब आप you know धीरे धीरे ओल्ड होते जाओगे तो आपकी स्किन काफ़ी लूज हो जाएगी, काफ़ी लाइन्स आ जाएंगी आपके अपर लिप्स में, विच वोंट लुक गुड. ओके, सो ब्राउज का क्या है कि अगर यहाँ पे हम थ्रेड लगाते भी है, सो यू नो इट्स आवर बोन. ओके, सो कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. द वन थिंग विच आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू इज़ दिस वीट ट्रिमर. एज यू कैन सी, ये इस टाइप की पैकेजिंग में आता है एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. यू नो, so I have been using this product from the last 6 to 7 months, and you know I haven't had my upper lips in the last these 6 to 7 months, and you can't you know imagine. I used to go to the parlor like in every week because मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा growth आ जाती थी in upper lips, but I am so satisfied now. So pros are, you know, it's painless, you know, it's quick and easy, and you know it's so beautiful. It looks so beautiful when you apply makeup after shaving your face. Okay, and you can't get the bumps because when you use razor, when you use anything else, you get the bumps, you get the pimples, as I told you earlier. But if you use this, you are not gonna get anything, like anything. And cons, I don't see any kind of disadvantages, but yes, you really don't get that smooth skin. Okay, क्योंकि जब मैं इसे you know अपना इससे फेस क्लीन करती हूँ, बिल्कुल you know I don't get that smooth skin, but वो सिर्फ आपको पता चलेगा. No one is gonna get to know कि आपने क्या यूज़ किया है. It looks so beautiful, it looks so clean. अगर मुझे कहीं भी जाना होता है एंड कोई सडन प्लान बन जाते हैं, so I have this cute little trimmer. You know, it helps me a lot. So now I'm gonna show you how this beautiful trimmer works, and you can see the results. So मैंने last week ही ये trimmer use किया था, so I really don't have that much growth. But yes, I can show you guys, you know, how it works and how you can use this trimmer. So yes, if you are interested, then please keep on watching. And वही चीज़ मैं दोबारा भूलूँगी, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to it, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. So as you can see, this is the trimmer, and ये ऐसे आता है. So ये पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए, I really don't know, but हमें उसका कुछ काम नहीं है. हमें मेन काम है इसका, ये जो स्टिक दिख रही है, as you can see that. So I'm gonna show you how it works. So this is the thing, if you can see, you know, so it tilts like this, it tilts like this. Okay, I believe that you know it's for your upper lips, that bigger part, and that smaller part is for your you know brows and all. So as I told you, I really don't touch my brows, तो मैं only upper lips के लिए and my you know facial hair के लिए मैं इसे use करती हूँ. So here is the button, if you can see it. Okay, and I just turned it on and it would work like this. So one thing which you have to make sure that while using this trimmer, like before using this trimmer, do not apply any kind of moisturizer, any kind of serum on your face. Just wash your face with your face wash. आपको अपनी growth के opposite इसे use करना है. So like if I talk about myself, I'll use it in a upward direction. Okay. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. One thing which I told you that आपको अपने opposite direction में इसे use करना है. But for this part, for your side locks, I would say कि आप same direction में use करो, because अगर आप opposite direction में use करोगे, I think it's not gonna work. I don't know how it happens, but for me it doesn't work if I use it in a opposite direction. So that's why I use it in a same direction. So you I don't know if camera can capture this thing, but आप देख सकते हो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा tiny hair इसमें है. So it's so amazing, it works really well. So as you can see, it took me 5 to 7 minutes to clean my whole face, So you really don't have to go to the parlor or somewhere else to get your face done, So I hope you liked my video and किसी भी तरह से आपको help की होगी इस video ने. So yes. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.